This might be my first ever how to style on a Kobe. Pay attention to that B-roll. I always tell y'all that, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy Cinos. Thanks for checking me out, man. I really appreciate it. And today we got another how to style. This time is on the Kobe Dodgers, man. I was stoked to get this sneaker, man. And I'm really stoked to do a how to style on these. Let's not talk too much. Let's start it. A no-brainer, right? The Dodgers jersey. I know Tiny is the popular one right now. I have a Jackie Rod one. I didn't feel like digging for it. But this is also a classic throwback. The No-Mo joint, man. And I like this one because it got a whole bunch of patches on it, giving you that real Dodger feel, man. So, Dodgers, of course. That's like number one, man. Oh, this is the Jackie Robinson patch, actually. But I like the Dodgers look, but that's a no-brainer. Just so happens, Undefeated makes some dope Dodgers stuff too. And Undefeated is always like synonymous with Kobe. So the Undefeated they always do a Dodgers collapse capsule once in a while. So you can always get some dope Undefeated stuff. But this tee I really like. Not the Dodgers, but also kind of a perfect match, man. Well, it is a perfect match. The New York Rangers, man. And this one here is the KIF for New York Rangers tee. Got the logo on the back. But the ice pick right here is super dope, man. Perfect match on them Kobe's. Staying with KIF, I like the match, but I don't love the match. Is the KIF for BMW hoodie. I showed y'all the t-shirt and the B-roll. That's why I say pay attention to the B-roll. But the hoodie's kind of dope too, guys, man. I just feel like this blue. This one is a little darker here. Turn it around. That blue kind of mimics it, but mostly is a lighter blue. But you do get your red hits here too. KIF logo. So again, I like the match, but I don't love it. It's finally getting hot in New York, man. And I love these KIF shorts. I love these KIF shorts on them Kobe Dodger joints, man. USA joints got stars, just like all the stars on the Kobe joint. The USA logo here, red, white, and blue, just like the Kobe joints. Gold tips give you a little hit. I like this. But I also like these paisley blue EE shorts too, man. On top of that Kobe joint, man. Yeah, they gotta be sold out, but the resale on this wasn't that bad, man. I think about 190, 180, so not that bad. But the paisley joints makes that Kobe look good. As far as hats, of course, any Dodger hat. But I like this EE one. I really like this EE one on it. If you're trying to go hyper beast, but a regular Dodger hat to do. Hat Club San Diego All-Star hat is a perfect match, man. I really like this, man. This is a classic, but a goodie, man. The KIF for Champion Scully, great match. And staying with KIF, again, another KIF for BMW hit. The red, white, and blue just matches perfect. Yes, sir, man. So that was a quick how to style on the Kobe Dodger joints. I could have went crazy, but it would have been redundant. Dodgers, Islanders, Rangers. It's so many red, white, and blue teams that make a perfect match for this. I just went with what I like the best, man. Hit me in the comment section below if you need help with securing, pricing, sizing on anything you've seen in this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.